Hi guys, Ryan Doherty here with Voyager RV, and I just wanted to tell you a little bit about our 2023 model clearance sale going on now. From now until the end of this month, you can save thousands of dollars on in-stock 2023 units, like this one right here. Behind me right now, we have a 2023 Jayco Jay Flight 264 BHW Baja Edition. It's one of the best-selling bunk trailers on our inventory. Let me show you a few of the reasons why. It's an absolute great trailer here for families. You see there's a great amount of storage here located underneath the bunks. But when I spoke earlier to the Baja package, what that actually means to you is a flipped axle and upgraded Goodyear off-road tires, giving you more clearance when you get into those hard to find campsites. This travel trailer is a great layout for families where it'll comfortably sleep up to 8. We have double bunks in the back here that will each support up to 600 pounds. The dinette folds down into another sleep area, as well as the jackknife sofa up here in the front. Top that all off with a walk-around queen up in the front. Everybody in your family is going to have a great spot. And with Jayco's industry-leading 2+3 year warranty, where it's 2 years limited comprehensive and 3 years structural, your family is going to be able to camp for 2 full seasons carefree. Regular price on this unit is $55,495, on sale right now for $38,990. But until the end of September, there's an additional $3,000 clearance credit available. But don't wait too long, because this clearance credit is only available until end of day, September 30th. So if you're interested in this or any other unit, come on down to Voyager RV and shop our 2023 model clearance sale, or check out our inventory at voyagerrv.ca.